Hey Grand Canyon family, it's Nick here, and today we're going to be talking about what these two drain lines from your air conditioner are for, which one should be dripping water, and which one should not. So let's get to it. Okay, so this system that we have here is pretty typical in the Phoenix area. You have two drain lines coming out of the side of your house, one lower, one upper. Basically, as your air conditioner runs in the Phoenix area, at this time of year when we have some humidity anyway, it's going to condense water. It's going to sweat water just like a glass of ice water does, but we're doing it on a much larger scale than a glass of ice water. And all that water has to go somewhere. So it feeds into a drain pan, works its way through the piping system, and should be coming out this lower drain line. And hopefully you see that, but this one is definitely dripping water like it's supposed to. If you're not dripping water out of the bottom one when we have humidity, that's an indication that your air conditioner probably isn't functioning as well as it should be and may need service. If and when, guess we should use the word when because inevitably it's going to happen. This bottom drain system is going to have an issue. It's going to back up, and when that happens, all that water is going to overflow out of that system, and it's going to go into an emergency drain system that feeds this one. So that being said, you should never, ever, ever see water coming out of your top drain line, because the next place you're going to see it coming out of is through the ceiling of your house, and that's what we're trying to prevent with this video. So, little homework for you to do. Go outside, find these two pipes from your air conditioning system. If you have two air conditioning systems on your house, you're going to have two sets of these pipes. Just make sure your bottom one is dripping, your top one is not. As you're looking at this top one, another few things just to keep your eyes out for is this one has a bunch of rust around the pipe. And as you can see, there's a big rust stain going down this block wall. This top of this pipe is all rust stained, as well as there's a big rust stain on here. And that indicates to us that at some point there was water running out of this top system, and we need to make sure that that's not happening currently. So as usual, if you have any questions about air conditioning, heating, plumbing, or electrical on your home, feel free to reach out. That's what we're here for. We are always here to help and happy to do so, and we hope you have a great day.